Good day everyone. Welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your 3D model on Revit to SketchUp. So all you need to do is to open your 3D view just like this. When you've done that, you click on this Revit icon. You click on it, then click on export. You'll see all these formats. Then you click on DXF. Okay. After opening here, you need to make some adjustments. So all you have to do is to click on this little icon right here, these three dots. Click and open it. Click on colors, change it to true color, then click on solid, change it to as solid, and click OK. Then click on next. Okay, this is where you save the documents. You can change it to anything you want to, and finish. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. I will attend to it. Now you open your SketchUp. Just a quick one. Please like the video so it can get to more people. Subscribe to this channel because this is the channel that will optimize your design skills. We share tips and tricks for efficient modeling, visualization, rendering, and animations. Share your design ideas, ask questions, and get response from different professionals. Get a step-by-step guide on how to improve your design skills for free. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more interesting videos daily. Thank you so much for subscribing. This is a SketchUp interface when you open a new project. For you to import the DXF, the file you saved, you converted from Revit. What you have to do is to click on File, Import, then you search where you saved it. Search for the folder, okay, we have it here. Click on it, import. Close it. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you.